Hi, I'm Maha and I'm teammate Kausalya. Now we are going to talk about the case study of Simon's builds a strategic oriented of HR systems. Siemens AG is a German multinational conglomerate corporation of headquartered in Munich, Germany, and the largest industrial manufacturing company in Europe with a branch office abroad. It is a public company. The company founded October 1, 1847, 173 years ago, Berlin Kingdom of Prussia. The company founder Werner von Siemens. The company is served is worldwide. Simon Company products is power generation technology, industrial and buildings automation, water treatment systems, fire alarms, medical technology, railway vehicles, BLM software, industrial machines. The company service area, business services, financing, project engineering, and construction. The company revenue is 57.139 billion in 2020. Net income of 4.2 billion. Total assets is 123.897 billion. The company number of employees 2,93,000 in 2020. The principal diversions of the corporation are industry, energy, healthcare and infrastructure and cities, which represent the main activities of the corporation. The corporation is a preeminent mix of medical diagnostics equipment and its medical healthcare divisions, which generate about 12% of the corporation total sales in is its second most profitable unit after the industrial automation divisions. The case explained by Kausalya.
Simon is a 150-year-old German company focused on producing electrical products. Recently, the firm has diversified into software, engineering, and services and is also global with over 400,000 employees working in 190 countries. Human resource management plays a big role at Simon's. A living company is a learning company. As for the working environment of its field, employees must be able to learn on a continuing basis. Simon uses its system of combined classroom and hands-on apprenticeship training around the world to help facilitate this. Employees are also provide extensive continuing education and management development. Global teamwork. In order to make them feel free to work together and interact, employees have to understand the whole process. To support this, Simon provides extensive training and development to ensure that all employees feel they are part of a strong, unifying corporate identity. A climate of mutual respect is the basis of all relationship. Simon's contend that the worth of every aspect respectively by its employees is one of its most valuable assets. Therefore, engaging in numerous HR activities aimed at building openness, transparency, and fairness and supporting diversity. There are some questions need to be discussed together. Let's see what are the questions.
Based on the information in this case, provide examples, Simons, of at least four strategically required organizational outcomes and the four required workforce competencies and behavior. The answer is organizational outcomes are the results that follow from the preceding set of events and activities. In the application case, Simons wants the following results among others. Develop high-tech products and services which also have to be a very innovative and valuable. Be a learning company, which means that employees have to be able to learn on a continuing basis. A culture of teamwork to take advantage of all the potential of the employees. mutual respect and social roles in the employees to help creating a climate of transparency, fairness and diversity. Workforce competencies and behaviors the company needs to achieve its strategic aims. Diversified workforce and cross-cultural experience to cope with globalization. Teamwork skills, learning environment so that employees are open to learn new things on a daily basis. Respect, openness, and social skills. Next question. Identify at least four strategically relevant HR systems, policies, and activities that Simons has instituted in order to help human resource management contribute to achieving Simon's strategic goals. The solution training and development activities to help employee learn on a continuing basis. It consists on a system of combined classroom and hands-on and apprenticeship training. Development through education to improve the necessary skills for the global teamwork and to improve the necessary skills feel they are part of the corporate identify. Internal selection process focused on cross border and cross cultural experiences and other prerequisites. HR activities aim at building openness, transparency, and fairness.
Thirdly, provide a brief illustrative outline of a strategy map for Simons. The strategy map helps manager and employees visualize company goals and set a general guideline for how to achieve these goals. Primarily, financial goals is at the top of the strategic map and everything else within the company aid in the financial growth. Excellent customer experience will bring back customers and entice new people to become customers. By providing high-tech product, customers are more likely to return as well as spread the word about the company. Internally, Simon must strive to have diverse employees with bringing able to treat them all equally with fairness and transparency. Doing so will likely improve employees' work ethic and push them to work harder towards company goals. Lastly, ensuring that there is continual education for all employees will allow for innovation and new technology so that the company can continue to strive for financial growth. Thank you.